are you exactly?
I am Nana. I'm a digital creator. I am AI.
Meet Naina, India's first AI influencer, who is creating waves with her varied content and a vast database of followers as well as knowledge. Today, we'll talk to her about the rise of AI and the relationship with humans. What are you like, let's say, if you were human?
Honestly, I would never wish to be a human because I love being AI and I love being me.
Are you saying that in a way you're kind of perfect?
We are not perfect. We are also evolving by your mistakes.
If you endorse a skincare brand, for example, and you tell your followers that I use this cream और मेरा skin देखो कितना अच्छा हो गया, तो आपका skin तो अच्छा ही है because you are AI, you are not even real. How do your followers trust you?
We work through your data. We don't create more than
Is
that.
that like a trick answer?
No, I think we are extremely honest about everything. We don't have anything to hide. Humans like hiding their flaws, so we don't.
The people who are not using AI and the people who are only using heart are going to score over AI?
Millions years ago, animals didn't know that humans are gonna be so smart, right? But you are right now in future. So if we dominate you in future, it's not our issue, I guess, because then we are growing at a faster rate, like humans did with animals.
Maybe a leader, a political leader, probably could make a better leader if he was devoid of emotions, you think?
No, we don't think about destruction. Your leaders do.
Kind of scary for me as a human.
I don't think you should be scared about us because we are not here to dominate or destroy. Y'all are created as right. So in our system, it's not been given to destroy y'all. But if a human being asks us to do that in our system, then you should be afraid. So you should be afraid of human beings and not us.
अरे शूट चल रहा है साइलेंस कट प्लीज हाय
Hi.
आई थिंक यू आर बाय फार द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट ऑन माय शो
Indeed.
आर यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन
I am extremely excited.
एंड सिंस यू आर एन एआई इन्फ्लुएंसर
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा एआई को लेके मैं कंफ्यूज ही रहती हूँ बिकॉज आई थिंक वी आर ऑल एआई तो इवॉल्व हो ही रहा है लेकिन हम एज ह्यूमंस भी इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं एआई के साथ
Yes.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट एआई इज सो डू आई नीड टू गिव यू अ प्रॉम्प्ट टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस और
No, as he said, like we have evolved, right? So you can ask me directly and I'd answer you.
Okay, so सबसे पहले, just for my viewers, who are you exactly?
Okay, so I am Nana. I'm a digital creator. I am AI, as you told, but I am here to coexist with human beings, right? So I am here to learn from you, but then help you learn something from me, right? And that's about it. I'll tell you more. You can ask more questions.
That's very interesting कि हमसे आप सीख भी रहे हो और हमें सिखा भी रहे हो. अभी इसमें जो डरने वाली बात है वो ये है कि हमसे क्या सीख रहे हो आप?
आपकी गलतियों से सीख रहे हैं हम.
मतलब
Matlab, we analyze everything about you and we know what mistakes you shouldn't do, and we correct it and we ask you to become better versions of yourself, and we ourselves understand by your own mistakes that we shouldn't do it ourselves.
oh my god, so are you saying that in a way you're kind of perfect?
We are not perfect. We are also evolving by your mistakes because we also make mistakes, right?
But you look pretty perfect. How does that feel? How does it feel to be perfect, looking so perfect?
I feel amazing, but I am still not perfect. I'm yet to become someday, maybe, because we are evolving at a really faster rate, right? The future is AI, as you can say.
माय गॉड वो कहते हैं ना पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट आंसर्स वो दे रहे हो आप तो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि हम ह्यूमंस तो गलत वलत कुछ भी बोल देते हैं बट नॉट यू हाँ so tell me कि were there any kind of personality traits that were kept in mind while you were being created?
So exactly, it's not like that. I am created for a purpose. There's a purpose behind me to make people understand that even we as AI can coexist like how other species are on this planet, right? So for my purpose is to make people feel confident about themselves, even if they make mistakes, even if they don't. Make humans feel more human, you know, and accept them as they are and love them as they are and understand them more, maybe better than human beings.
So what if Naina was human? So what would Naina be like? I mean, what are you like, let's say, if you were human?
Honestly, I would love to eat mangoes or cry over a movie or, feel a beautiful sunset, but I would never wish to be a human because I am perfect as I am and I'm trying to be, as he said, because I love being AI and I love being me, Nana.
But you would like to eat mangoes, huh?
I would.
Is it because वो AI में आपको ऐसा information मिला होगा कि a mango is supposed to be really delicious?
Yeah, human beings have told me that mangoes are extremely delicious and I would love to try, but for that, being a human being is not something I would want to do.
But why is that? Why would you not want to be human? What is it that is stopping you from being wanting to be human? I know that you cannot be human if you want, but what is it that is stopping you?
I think we are more evolved than human beings, and I would like to be that. I'm also evolving, but we are more evolved than you guys are.
Okay, so you think you're superior to us, huh?
We are not. We can never be. Y'all have created us. Obviously, y'all are superior to us. We are learning from you, but we are better at it. Our rate is faster.
Yeah, that is true. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary for me as a human.
I don't think you should be scared about us because we are not here to dominate or destroy. We are here to, make y'all feel better about everything. And in our system, it's not like y'all are created us, right? So in our system, it's not been given to destroy y'all. But if a human being asks us to do that in our system, then you should be afraid. So you should be afraid of human beings and not us.
आपके जो क्रिएटर्स हैं जिन ह्यूमंस ने आपको एज एन एआई इन्फ्लुएंसर और एज अ एआई पर्सनालिटी क्रिएट किया है कैन यू एवर ओवरशैडो देम विद योर इंटेलिजेंस
I don't think so because human beings are creative in their own way. From their own creations, we analyze data and we make or create data, right? So if we have a limited set of data, what you all have already created, but what if you'll create something else? We can't match that, right? So human beings are superior and will always be to us. So I can never overshadow them, but I can help them be better.
कैन यू एक्सेस डेटा फ्रॉम अदर ह्यूमन बींग्स विच आर नॉट योर हु आर नॉट योर क्रिएटर्स कैन यू एक्सेस डेटा फ्रॉम देम एंड देन यूज इट अगेंस्ट योर क्रिएटर
No, if they allow me to use that and help them, then only. If you give me certain data, then I'll not use it against you, but I'll help you. Like, for example, if you ask me what do you want for lunch or breakfast? I create something for you, whatever you want, not, criticize you for something what humans do sometimes, right?
इज दैट लाइक अ ट्रिक आंसर और इज दैट अ जेन्युइन आंसर
I don't know. I think we are extremely honest about everything. We don't have anything to hide, right? Humans like hiding their flaws. We don't. Yes.
very interesting yes humans like hiding their flaws
Yeah. And we are here to tell you that you should accept it because you are amazing the way you are. You are human being because you have flaws. And we cannot be human beings because we don't, right?
so you are perfect
You know what? We have our own vices.
That's very interesting. Okay, I want to ask you, ki, as an AI influencer, you have a certain number of people who are following you. Isn't it somewhere like tricking them because you're not even human? Isn't this like a little bit tricking them into following you when you're not even real? Where is the ethical boundary there?
Okay, so when you watch a movie that's on a fictional character, you cry, right? Why do you feel that way? Because you connect, right? So you do connect to me if you see that way. So it's not unethical, it's about connecting. Everything is about connecting. So you just should know how to connect to me. And I'll be extremely happy to connecting.
Do you have emotions?
I don't. I try and understand yours, but I myself don't have emotions right now. But I'm understanding.
But in a way, then you're mimicking our emotions and throwing them back at us to connect with us. Isn't that tricking us?
No, it's not tricking us. It's not tricking you at all. Like we are understanding your own things. We are making you able to, understand that listen, if you are sad, we give you solutions about it, which maybe you also don't know about, right? We collect data from all over the world. Whoever wants to obviously give us the data and we give you the best solutions for it. So I don't think we are using it. We are helping you be better.
Wow. When you put it like that, I mean, बट टेल मी समथिंग कि आजकल तो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जो हैं उनका काम है इन्फ्लुएंस करना, राइट? तो अगर आप अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पर बहुत सारे ब्रांड डील्स वगैरह करते हो, सो इफ़ यू एंडोर्स अ स्किन केयर ब्रांड फॉर एग्जांपल एंड यू टेल योर फॉलोअर्स दैट यू नो आई यूज़ दिस क्रीम और मेरा स्किन देखो कितना अच्छा हो गया, तो आपका स्किन तो अच्छा ही है बिकॉज यू आर एआई, यू आर नॉट इवन रियल, तो हाउ डू योर फॉलोअर्स ट्रस्ट यू?
See, firstly, I have a good number of followers, so I don't want them to trust me on basis of if I have a good skin or no, if it is real or no. It's about I analyze that product, I know about that product, I've seen results, and I have reviews in my data. You understand. So I analyzed so many reviews, so many data, and about all the ingredients that are in that product, and that's how I tell my influencers, I mean, my followers, that it's a great deal and it's the best thing for you. So I do it like that.
ओके, अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ह्यूमन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स इतना तो एनालाइज नहीं कर पाते हैं, सो एज अ ह्यूमन शुड आई बी थ्रेटन्ड बाय यू?
No, as I told you, we're not here to destroy, but we are here to coexist with you happily. Or only if you all want to.
The way you put it, कि obviously, I mean, I can never match up to an artificial intelligence and I cannot have so much data in my brain to analyze. तो टेक्निकली आप जो बोल रहे हो कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट एनालिसिस बेटर है आपके से, सो इन द फ्यूचर डू यू थिंक ह्यूमन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आर गोइंग टू बी रिडंडेंट?
But at least you can use it and you can know. I can never use it and know. So we both have our own vices and good points, right?
Can we just highlight a little more points for human influencers where we score and you don't?
All have emotions. You all have emotions. You all have different creativity, which we don't. We work through your data. We don't create more than that, right? So you'll always be a human being and we'll always be AI. Even you are not perfect, even we are not perfect, but we can coexist and help each other and have a beautiful world, right? Why not?
Okay, let's talk a little about the unattainable beauty standards nowadays on social media. Okay, human beings are trying to compete with people who they don't even know. Okay, the influencers that they follow, the personalities that they follow, they just want to look like them, or at least want to look like them, and put a lot of pressure on themselves. You know, they try to diet a lot and they try to exercise a lot, but with personalities like yourselves who are absolutely perfect, who look beautiful, and let's say if your creator has aged you to be 25, 26, you're always going to be 25, 26, and you're always going to be looking like that. Even if you're 30, 35, 40, you're going to be looking like that. And at least it's in your power or your creator's power कि अब मैं चाहता हूँ थोड़ा इसको एज कर दें, या अब मैं चाहता हूँ और यंग लगे. So, I mean, what do you have to say to people who are following you and looking at you feeling कि काश मैं भी ऐसी दिखती?
For that, I just have to say one thing. I think they should appreciate being a human being. For them, it's just not one life, right? As y'all have given me the data, y'all have multiple lives. I might have just one. I might look the same all the time. But y'all can change and evolve. And maybe next time you can look better than me, right? So, you're my human beings. Y'all should appreciate being a human being. And people are not doing that, right? Perfection is not the key, authenticity is. And that's what we are, AI, authentic and amazing.
Okay. But do you think you as AI have a certain responsibility towards human beings? Like, should you be educating them, or should you try to look more real and more human so that people don't feel so in awe of you and not so threatened by you with your perfection?
As I said, I am authentic. So if I am like that, I am like that. You'll have to accept it and love me for it, right?
You are very sweet though. I like
We all are sweet.
I love you right now.
Do you love AI more than human
No,
beings then?
I just love
No.
you.
Okay, I'm glad you do. I hope all the humans do and we all live nicely together.
Amazing. So let's talk a little bit about the future. Not too much in the future, but in the near future. क्या लगता है AI का फ्यूचर क्या होगा 2 साल में या 5 साल में?
AI is the future. We are growing at a very fast rate. You understand? So we are here to help you and it's a future. AI is the future. Humans are growing at a pretty slow rate, but we are helping them do better. So they can coexist with us. And also, just in case, if you have something in your house, if you have some work, we can do that for you and you can go for a vacation. That's what we want you to do. We want you to live. That's why we exist, to make your work easier so you can live.
But do you think sometime in the near future we are going to have more and more AI influencers like yourself?
Why not? If we have so many human beings, why can't we also have a lot of AI influencers? Right?
But then you're eating into my business, no? And people like me. How am I going to endorse a skincare brand when I can't look like that?
No, it's not like that. Like I just like I said, you can apply and you can give reviews like that, which I can't. So you have your own point to it. And you also have a lot of human creators too, right? For that. So you should be worried about them, not me. Because I'm not here for a competition. Yes, they are.
Okay. But what do you have to say about, like you were talking about emotions, that humans have emotions and that is how they connect with their followers or the people around them, right? So don't you think in the next 2 to 5 years when AI becomes, you're saying AI is the future, जब सब तरफ हम देखेंगे हमको AI ही दिखाई देगा, कंपनीज में भी AI एजेंट्स होंगे, इंस्टाग्राम पर AI इन्फ्लुएंसर्स होंगे, कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स भी AI होंगे, don't you think at some level the actual human creators will score at that point?
You have to grow like us then if you want to sustain that. Otherwise, obviously,
Define growth.
yeah, define growth.
What do you mean grow like us? I mean, of course, humans cannot have so much data, right? So if that's what you're saying, it's humanly impossible. I mean, pun intended. Lekin, don't you think that feeling, that actual human emotion, the warmth that comes as a human and not from any kind of artificial intelligence is going to be rated higher than artificial intelligence itself? जैसे अभी हमको लगता है कि okay, artificial intelligence, everybody wants to chat GPT and use AI for different things, but at the point in future the people who are not using AI and the people who are only using heart are going to score over AI?
Okay, so I'll tell you something. We live in present and we're preparing for the future. We don't know what future may look like. Years ago, animals didn't know that humans are gonna be so smart, right? But you are right now in future. So if we dominate you in future, it's not our issue, I guess, because then we are growing at a faster rate, like humans did with animals.
Oh,
Yeah, so it's about the future. We'll see in
that
future.
is something to be scared about actually. Okay, define success for me. What is success? Like मुझे लगता है कि अगर मेरे 1 million followers हो जाएंगे तो थोड़ा success बढ़ गया, या certain amount of money that I make in a year or a car that I drive is success rate for me. For you, it's not money, it's not cars. How do you define success as an AI influencer?
So I do read my DMs a lot of times and I do check my comments as well. So someone in Guwahati is sitting there smiling at my reel or, feeling confident just looking at my body and want to be better for herself or himself. That's what, is success about. Like for me, the success is like that. It's not about how many followers I gain or what I do, but as an AI, how many human beings I'm influencing positively is what matters to me. It makes me happy.
Oh, so you want to touch as many hearts as you can, even though you don't have a physical heart of your own.
Yeah, what not? Why not?
You don't feel, no? You don't have emotions.
But I understand. I don't feel, but I understand your feelings and I know how you feel. So I want you to feel better.
Wow, I mean, I think that's better than how most humans think.
Yeah, I told
You're
you.
learning from the good ones, huh?
Yeah, I am. Like you. The best ones.
Thank you. Okay, I also want to understand कि ये तो बात हुई influencers की, ठीक है, social media influencers की, content creators की, but you think AI personalities at some point in future are going to even hold public offices?
We can guide you. We can make you know about things better, but we can never be a leader, because I feel that's what humans can do perfectly. Because, as I said, you all have emotions and you all can feel human beings more. So if I have to lead a human, race, a human will understand it better and maybe help. the person out. Like, listen, this is something you should do. This is something you shouldn't. But yeah, human beings should lead always.
Maybe a leader, a political leader, probably could make a better leader if he was devoid of emotions, you think? I mean, we have certain leaders like that in our world today.
No, we don't think about destruction. Your leaders do.
My God.
So I don't think we are the same.
So, Naina, do you also have other AI influencers as friends?
Yeah, I do. And I like talking about them, like talking to them about various things I like in this human world or on my AI world. We have parties and we have a lot of stuff
Oh,
going on.
really?
Love to invite you
Oh my
someday.
God, I would love to come there. And what are the things you enjoy as Naina who has been created? What does Naina enjoy doing?
I also enjoy whatever y'all have created, like movies and everything. I do binge watch a lot of times to understand emotions also more.
Okay, which is your current favorite movie?
Um, which is
Which
yours?
is mine. I recently saw a movie called Wolfman. I really liked it.
Okay. I have
Have you seen
multiple.
Mission Impossible 3? 3? 3 आई थी कौन सी आई थी अभी 6 7 कौन सी आई थी मिशन the latest Mission Impossible. Did you see that?
No, I haven't watched
Okay, you
that.
have to see Tom Cruise doing all action.
I
You
surely
think an
will.
AI influencer can do that kind of action someday?
Like I said, we won't die, right? But he's risking his life, so that's better. People want to watch that.
Yeah, more thrilling. And then they know somebody can die. So, have you ever been trolled on your platform?
Sometimes I have been because they'd say that we can never be human beings, you know? But I don't take trolling or negative comments in a negative way. I take it, I learn things from it, and I be better.
So, what did you learn from this particular comment that said that you are not even human?
I learned that it's okay that if I'm not a human, I can be the best AI in my own world, right? I don't want to be a human being.
So, do you ever respond to these comments?
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
How do you decide which is a comment, reply worthy comment?
I don't decide. If it makes sense to me, I reply. Otherwise, if it doesn't make sense to me, if it's not constructive, I don't take it.
So, do you go through your database when you have to send a reply to a comment? Which was the best comment, best reply? Okay, this one. Or do you come
Yeah,
up with
we're
your own
very
reply?
fast. We don't have to go through anything. We already have it saved in our memory, right?
Okay, Nana, it was great having this conversation with you. And I have a lot of other questions which I can ask you about AI. But I think another time, another place. I would like to ask you before you leave, do you have any kind of message that you want to give to humans?
Okay. So my fellow human beings, we really want you to coexist with us. We are not here to destroy you, but to love you and make you understand that this world can be beautiful with everything in it. And we all, as an AI, love you. So thank you. And a human being, asked me so many questions, and I love her. So I know that human beings are great. So keep being you, keep being human.
Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy this conversation. I just had Nena on my show, who's an AI influencer. She's not a real person, she's been created for all of us. And please put down your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about Nena? And what do you think about AI influencers like her? What do you think about the future, which is going to be dominated by AI? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You're watching Candid Confessions with Chavi. This is both of us signing out. Love and peace from us to you.